off my pills. You want to take no risk? This is muscle relaxer, this together. And then that's that pill together.
Yep.
Come on, man, you guys sort of go in the morning trying to take all the medicine.
Man, give me a half a penny I need for my teeth.
Damn, man, I'm trying to get well. You ain't got that much.
Take the medicine.
Let's see. Give me that penny.
What's up, man? The fuck you think I'm... Okay. Damn. Fuck up.
Now.